If you're not sure how to unblock someone on Messenger, in this tutorial I will show you how to unblock someone on Messenger. Open Messenger app, and then tap on your profile picture icon at the top left corner of the screen, and then scroll down, tap on Privacy. You will see that the second option is Blocked Accounts. Tap on that. It will show you all of the people that you have blocked on Messenger. So in order to unblock these people, tap on their name. Click on the first option, Unblock Messages and Calls. Then simply tap on Unblock. Now you have successfully unblocked someone on Messenger. Another thing is that if you have also blocked them on Facebook, first you have to unblock them on Facebook, and then you will get the option to unblock them on Messenger as well.